What's going on, guys? Another beautiful day in San Diego. Today we're actually not going to take my Subi today, giving her a little break, but actually, if you guys can see, I got some new tires. I got some new Hankook V12s on these now, and I can tell you they grip. Today we're actually going to be driving a different car, a car that you guys have probably seen in my last video but didn't really tell you anything about it. But today we're going to be driving my Civic. So honestly, this isn't just any ordinary Civic. So under the hood of this Civic actually has it's a fully swapped B18 motor, full built heads, everything, pistons. Right now it's running on low compression because honestly I just haven't done it yet. Honestly, I don't have enough funds for it, but it's turbo ready. I just have to buy a turbo and pop it on and tune it and everything, and it's turbo ready because it's low compression. But I'm gonna be honest, this car needs a lot of work. The body isn't in the best condition. Practically no flooring, no nothing like that. So if I really wanted to, I could probably throw a cage or whatever in here. It's a little dirty inside. I gotta clean it up. I just haven't had enough time. Right now it's kind of like my daily driver to work and everything, work and back. It gets the job done. I just don't want to put any miles on that Subaru. So honestly, this is why I have this car, and I'm gonna give you guys a little test drive and show you what it's like to drive something like this. I gotta get gas before I do that, so bought this car from a buddy of mine that just didn't have enough time or didn't really want to do anything else to the car. And at the time I was kind of looking for a daily to drive because, as you guys know, my Subaru is kind of like my pride and joy. That's always been a dream car of mine, and I want to keep it as low miles as possible. And my commute to work is pretty far, so I'd be putting like crazy miles on that car like in a snap. So I looked for an alternative, and my buddy was trying to sell this car, and I was like, hey man, I'll buy it off of you. I don't really care if it's a race Honda or anything, as long as it gets me to point A to point B. It's not a big deal to me. So I went ahead and just bought the car, and honestly it's super reliable, even though it's a fully built engine. I've had zero problems with it. The only thing that I had, which he told me about anyways, and we fixed it anyways, was there was a slight oil leak from the oil drain bowl, or not the oil drain bowl, but like a bolt that was by the oil pan. So we fixed that already, so the car doesn't even leak oil, nothing doesn't overheat. It's just a perfect car, honestly. So I just gotta grab some gas really quick. What's going on? Can I just get 25 on 5? Right there, yeah. honestly, I always put 91 in the best gas in all my cars, no matter what car it is. Another amazing thing about this car is it's so good on gas. And literally, I put $25 in this thing, and it'll practically just fill it up to the top. Freaking amazing. So the car also has a GSR swap tranny. And I think it has a stage 3 clutch. Definitely a lightweight flywheel for sure, just because this thing is super sensitive. I'm not sure what clutch it is. My buddy that sold it to me didn't know what clutch it was either, but yeah, all I know is it's definitely not stock, and definitely a lightweight flywheel, so whew. Yeah, I got a couple things planned for this car. I really like the car itself. I love hatchbacks, you know, so the car is honestly really nice for what it is. The body is obviously not in the best condition, like I said. It definitely needs a new paint job and a lot of body work and just a lot of love in general. The interior, if I clean it up and everything, if I take out all the trash, it wouldn't look too bad. But yeah, this thing needs a lot of love. As of right now, it's just my daily driver, so it's not a huge big deal to me, but in the future I'd love to just clean this car up and make it look super pristine, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys onto my local back roads and just show you how this thing rips, honestly, because this thing rips for what it is. It's I think it's pushing 190 to the wheels, and this thing is practically weighs like nothing. So this thing starts flying. Oh, thanks, big boy. Better get out of my way. Man, it's hot. This thing obviously doesn't have AC. I can't push no buttons or anything, so I'm being baked alive. Fantastic. Now I'm behind this dude. Thanks, sir. I wanted to be behind you my whole life. everything is kind of sketch to drive and take turns hard and whatnot. So yeah, so it has a B16 bottom with the LS VTEC on the top is what it is on this motor. So I'm not sure what kind of pistons and all that is inside of it because I didn't build it obviously, and my buddy I don't think really remembers what the guy told him what was in it. So Civic life though, that VTEC life. My plans for this car, when and if I ever get the money, I definitely want to make the body look nice. Definitely swap on a turbo on there, fuck it if my motor blows or not. At that point I'll just rebuild the engine again or whatever. Interior, make the interior look nice, maybe get some bucket seats, definitely get some better coilovers, tires, wheels, everything like that. It's just now that I have the Subaru, it's kind of hard to know what to invest money in which car. Obviously I like my Subaru a lot better. I want to still do a lot of stuff to it. I still got to buy a downpipe, front mount, headers, blow off valve, and then get it tuned, dyno tuned and everything, all that good stuff to put more power on my Subi. Just all a matter of when I'm gonna get the money and just when I have time, honestly. So it's just hard. I work a full-time job, so it's just hard to find time and everything. So I got bills to pay, so yeah. Civic as it gets, as Honda as it gets. This is the definition of a Honda right here. Beep beep. Yeah, none of the windows roll down either, so it's like a little sauna in here. It's like a sauna. In the summertime, I'm gonna die, probably. I'm gonna have like a cooler in here to keep ice in for me. And then have a fan and have that fan blow air in my face with that ice. Make it even more janky up in here. Oops. That's embarrassing. one day when I do the suspension, wheels, everything, get this car looking nice, you know, not sketchy at all. But right now it's pretty sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, sometimes I fear for my life. But I would love to just go take the back mods and just rip this thing, because this thing has so much potential, honestly. Just a stock muffler. Literally all VTEC. God damn. I'm surprised I haven't even gotten pulled over in this car yet. Just makes all the good noises. Just all the good noises except for all the I think that'll be it for this video. It's hot. I'm over it. I'm so sweaty. My back is like drenched in sweat. I'm gonna take a shower. Cool. Alright, so like I said, this will probably be the end of the video. Nothing too special. Yeah, so this is the Honda. A daily driver, my race car, you could say. Yeah. Get you guys a little walk around of it. Definitely need to wash soon, but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of try to make it a little more fun this time, you know, a little different. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.